Very tempting, yes? But here's my angle of myself, and then I must make a crook in myself. I'm always going to be above the surface, aren't I? So again, the question is, how am I going to have as close to a perfect triangle? And you see, my arms aren't here, that everything is coming here, and it's as if to fold up and in. Yeah? Just like I'm scooping the cuboid to come up and in, just like my femoral heads are coming into my pelvis to come up and in, just as the length is coming up and in. Yes? And so when I lift, I'm looking for the clearest angle. Now, it's very easy to do what we've done before, which is to do this. Yeah? Now, many of you have learned to do this with two hands. Beautiful, it's fine. But at some point in time, you may have to be in a situation. Yes, and you have to be in a situation so that I can begin to play with, how is this force translating into her atlas? Boop, 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 boop. Now I could push her right off the table. Yeah? But if I push like that, her head's going to tilt one side. If I push like that, her head wants to tilt one way or the other. But here, boop, 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 boop. Yeah? So I might have to know how to find the support with both hands. Yeah? There is a profound difference. It's different if I come here, of course. It's different if I come here and I keep my hand here. Where is it going? Where's the force now going? It has to be going down, around, and up and through. It is not a clear force. I want my organization, so you can see how much rotation. I want everything to be aligned with, my fingers and everything to be aligned with the bones. Yeah? Everything. Not here. Turning and turning and turning. If I need to make myself narrower and narrower until, or if I need to come back a little bit so that I can get it. But so more or less, I have that relationship. And this relationship is directly through the bones, not across. And the more clear I am for this, that when they come to stand up, and this is the force that we've helped them to enter into themselves with, now she's standing. She's not standing on this leg. She's not standing on that leg. She's standing on the top of her femur. Yeah? And it gives her the opportunity to proprioceptively. How much of the femoral head is she actually standing on? How many degrees? Less than 10 degrees. Yeah? So if you look at the arc of the femoral head and you think of the highest point. Now, there's huge controversies in the tensegral model as to whether or not the head is actually floating in the joint or whether or not there actually is some kind of a contact. Yeah? But this whole question has to do with how the force comes through. But watch, think, really think clearly. Where is the place within myself where I can align myself to their skeleton? No? Okay. Because I was having to go around a lot. I'll still have to go around.